Hiya, welcome back to Serenity Crafts by Maria. Today I'm going to be doing a video with all aboard the Friendship Express collaboration, and this Saturday is the themed collaboration. The theme is Wizard of Oz. So I have got my posters mould out, which I haven't used yet. I bought this one off Amazon a few weeks back, and I have bought some stickers from, well, these three were from Temu. I got a pack of rainbows, so I only actually thought there was one in there, but there's a whole pack of 36 because I'm going to need 36 rainbows. But I thought, right, I've only got 3 different ones and I need 4. I've got to do an even number or else it will craze me. So I've decided to do a rainbow for somewhere over the rainbow. So I'll be making coasters today, Wizard of Oz themed coasters. And I'm going to do, I think, a yellowy gold resin for the yellow brick road. And then put the stickers on the top and then top coat them. I'm actually going to do it so this, what you can see here, is the top of the coaster. So the bottom will be touching the mould. I just thought if I poured a little bit of the yellow in the bottom, put the stickers on the top, and cover with clear, the stickers will be protected and hopefully they'll look good. So I'm going to get mixing up my resin and then I'll bring you back. See you soon. Welcome back. I've mixed up 180 mils and I've separated it into 90 mils in each cup. So I don't think I'm going to need all of that in these because it's only on the bottom coat. So I'm not even going to put it through my bubble machine, which is a shocker. I've mixed in some Estoyo Sunlight Gold. I'm just going to mix in just to cover the bottom. As I've got some clear resin left, I'm going to make some into resin coasters. I've left it clear because I didn't really know what I was going to do with it, to be honest. I feel a bit boring making just coasters, but to be honest, my imagination isn't that great in the last few weeks. I've had a sickness bug, and unfortunately, so has my mum had it, and she was very poorly, and on top of her Alzheimer's, it really knocked her about. Me and my daughter was there to clean her up as she was very poorly. To be honest, my mind's elsewhere at the moment, but I'll get back to it eventually. But right now, I'm just a little bit lost with imagination and things. So you'll have to bear with me just being boring making these coasters this week. I do apologise, but I expect my friends will have something much more interesting for you to watch, and the playlist will be in my description box as usual. I can count on them for pulling it out of the bag. It's just me, it's letting the side down this week, I think. But I'm trying as much as I can this week after a really rough time over the last few weeks with my mum, like I said. It's a very, very cruel disease, Alzheimer's. Right, I've got some of these Aurora powders from Temu. I don't know whether to push some of them on. Just see what it's about. Now I can't see any colour, so all I'm seeing is just a plain powder. I'm not the best one to use this sort of stuff. My daughter's doing her room, so I don't really want to interrupt her. Let's just brush some of this one on. See what colour it is when we do it, I suppose, or I'll get my daughter to say for me. These were from Temu, and there was a pack of 6, and I cannot remember how much they were. But it was Temu. So that'll be me until tomorrow morning, and then I'll come back and I'll put the stickers on, and then we'll put the top coat of clear on these, and we'll put a black coat on these, and we'll see. I mean, these are going to be nothing to do with Wizard of Oz. That's just what I had extra. So I will bring you back. I'm going to clean up everything so I can reuse it. The only thing I don't reuse are my gloves, because they are one-time use, and they are one-time use for a reason. Do not try and get extra wears out of your gloves. In fact, that's the other thing. I've got an allergy to gloves. Believe it or not, I'm allergic to the nitrile gloves. So I've got a double up, and I've got clear ones underneath. So that was wonderful today, finding that out. There you go. I told you I'm allergic to nearly everything, so oh well, that's life. I will bring you back tomorrow when we're going to do the rest. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. Well, they're all set and hard, so I'm just going to get the stickers put on them now. I've just been speaking to my son, and he basically said it's more of an orange than a yellow, but he did say that it matches the yellow brick road on here, so he said it'll be fine. So I apologise. He said it was more orange and yellow, but or gold and orange. We're going to stick this one on here. Right, that's that one done. It's got a little bubble right over the line's butt. Alright, and then do this one. This one's so cute. And he's going on here. And then this one in that smaller one, because this one isn't completely round, and that's really annoyed me, but that's fine. Oh, my daughter's hoovering. Bless her. And this, I'm going to have to cut when it's in, because it's a little bit wider, I think. And I've got the word somewhere, which I did on my lock lick machine. So it'll be somewhere over the rainbow. I've put it on transfer paper, but I want it to be curved. So I want the W to be in the middle, don't I? I'm going to actually separate these. Serenity crafts by Maria, swirling colors, ain't nothing iller, lost in the pour, find my euphoria, serenity crafts by Maria. There. Right, so we now have 4 coasters, and I've just got to mix up my resin to cover them in clear. And these ones I'm going to back in black. So I'll bring you back when it's all mixed up. See you soon. I've mixed up 200 mils of resin, and I've put 110 in the clear and 90 mils in the one that's going to be black for these. I'm just going to now pour. I have ran them through my bubble machine. These stickers are waterproof. I might need more, so it's a good job I haven't mixed the black yet. Right, well I had enough to do 2 of the into resin moulds, but I will do the other 2 off camera and bring you back when it's all sorted, because obviously it's just these ones that were the important ones today, and they are complete. So I'll bring you back in, well, probably late tonight and demold. So I'll see you then. Right, so this is the first one. This is the second one. I have cleaned them all up around the edges. I will probably go around the edges with some gold, the either Let's Resin or Jdiction chrome markers. Yeah, they look nice. Like I said, I've cleaned all the edges, right, and it's just the into resin ones. Oh yeah, we don't know what colour this is, do we? Well, you might, I didn't. Okay. I know it's not black, like the back, but apart from what colour it is, I have no idea. Nice coasters though. Yeah, really nice. I like them. I won't do anything to these ones, obviously. It was just to see what the Aurora powders were, and to test out the new into resin coaster moulds, which are lovely. I knew they would be. I'll ask my daughter what colour they are. Really nice. Right, I'm going to go around these edges with some gold pen and then I'll bring you back. See you soon.
Lost in the pour, find my euphoria, serenity crabs by Maria. YouTube channel, come and learn with me. Crafting is my therapy. Resin art got me feeling brand new. No longer singing the blues. Yeah, you know how we do. Let me tell you, crafting is therapy. Serenity Crafts by Maria. Swirling colors.
Well, they are finished. They have got gold around the edge and they have got 4 little rubber feet on each coaster. Quite enjoyed doing these, to be fair. So it took my mind off some stuff, so I appreciate my resin art. It's a pretty simple one this week. Like I said, I apologise, but I still think they look really, really nice. I love that one. I love the Tin Man. And then these ones, I'm just going to put felt on the back, bottom, and then some feet, coaster feet. But I didn't want to cover up the colour. I think that colour is beautiful. So I put felt on, but I don't want to. I think it looks really nice. That's me done today. Go and check out who's next on the playlist. And obviously the playlist will be in my description box, like I said earlier. And I just want to say thank you so much for your continued support. It all means the world to me. Alright, take care. See ya.